The B-Town Breakfast Show on BCRFM 104.1, the pumping beat of Ikasi.
Uthi thina Zungu yena unguthandiwe. Bathi Gideon iqhawe elinamandla. Hamba ngalamandla unikiwe wona. Ngisho noma ngabe unovalo kodwa uyafuneka empini. Lamandla lesihamba ngawo sinikiwe wona. For whatever it is, the war ahead of us we shall conquer, because we need to understand that we are given the strength to overcome. Inkinga ngelivalo. Ngisho noma ngabe unovalo kodwa uyafuneka empini. The war remains, no matter how fearful you are. The walls you must break, no matter how high they seem. Hamba ngalamandla unikiwe wona. He never promised us an easy road, yet he promised us the strength to overcome it all. For even through the valley of darkness, unikiwe lamandla. So remember,
umlaleli weBCR ku104.1 the pumping beat of Ikasi uyakhumbuda la uziremember ukuthi uthanziwe ngakulalela nalo ihlelo namhla ngilambita ngathandiwe Thamthamtule angikwamukele la msakadweni kunjani
Prince ngiyabonga kakhulu
ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi uthanziwe wena mhlali utanala ku B-Town Breakfast bekufuna ngabe awusekho la ngabe asikuthanzi
vele igama lami lelo ngikuthandiwe. It's a chosen name that I chose for myself.
Yathi ngithanda le ngoma ngithanda nale information lokhuluma ngayo nalapha kule ngoma uthi not kube kusingcono not ukuthi ngende kahle even ngawo reference lenye ingoma kunale ngoma la proverb khona under the soil khona lapha ukuthi athi let's say the weaker I am strong, let's say the poor I am rich, let the blind say I can see what God has done for me.
Yes,
usho njalo nje. So that's why ngithi iyangijabulisa ngalendo lesikhuluma ngayo. Ngicela ukunika ukuthi ukhulumele. Cala sengikhulumile mina sengishumayelile bekufuna ngithathe umnikelo la. Sengizobuya emva kwakho because nawe lena I close to you. So yeah,
Prince, mina nje i-highlight yami of i-message yalamuhla ngile noma ngabe unovalo kodwa uyafuneka empini. Kusho kona ke ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi kunetimo lesibukane nato yathi ukuthi noma ngabe unovalo noma ngabe ukhathele noma ngabe awunamali noma ngabe une depression noma ngabe kwenta uyafuneka empini. That is the instruction that we are having. Kuthi lamandla sinikiwe mara siyafuneka empini despite the situation that we are in. Ngalesinye isikhathi we are going through so much, especially nyalo nje siyabona kunetinto etifana bo ashwagandha leti trendako because bantu they don't want to feel or go through certain things. Sifuna nje kuba nam and in denial that we are going through things. It's okay, it's a way of coping perhaps, but i-highlights lapho ukuthi sonke siyazama kuba ngcono kuletimo lesibukane nato. Kepha lokubalekile ukuthi funa si-understand ukuthi lempi ilinze thine despite how we feel. Noma ngabe siva ngathi oh no, I don't feel like facing this or this is too much. Noma ngabe kunjalo siyafuneka empini because lamandla lawo sinikiwe kusho ukuthini we need to face whatever it is that we are going through with courage. Sathi kahle ukuthi bekungeke sibe kulesimo leso mandla singakanikwa.
Yathi le message ngendlela ungijabulisa ngayo kude lo special ikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu bafana befuna yoyithola lemvulo le yamara uyayibona and isuke yahamba kuwo onke lama match lebiso lwadlala nema trials and ngabe ayikayi bengeke uthole thundo namhla ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi okay maphutha yende lana sine situation lekhona eSouth Africa ye match to match funa sigijime la ubonile sibuke cishe emhlaba yonke ngale balwa kuma country sike salwa nabo Donald Trump la salwa nabo Elon Musk balakhaya kude lo special and masitohlala lokusho ukuthi kude lesingeke sikachieve kahle without kulwa ngeke kahle siphase that million tethu futhi sohlala
ngeke impi khona lokho nje bekuyi highlights ku Gideon nje it's an example ukuthi kahle umuntu nemuntu kunemandla lapha sisewona ngoba kunempi la tobukana nayo atifana ngithi basa ngeke akunike mthwalo lo phezulu kwamandla akho uyathi uNkulunkulu kusilesimo lobukane naso nyalo ngoba unikiwe lamandla ukunqoba lesimo leso manje kunokuthi sibuke lesimo ukuthi singakanani let us tap into the power that we are given to overcome that akazange wathi uNkulunkulu Gideon hayi okay ukuvikela ntohlala la mina ngitolwa on your behalf no ukuvikela ngokuthi lamandla lo wadzingako kulempi ngikunikile you need to tap into them uhambe uye empini we can't run away from lempi
nalama weapon uyasinika phela nethi ngoba suke singanotice nalo kusaba unkhumbutale elijale beliphethe induku le iguquke yaba inyoka la thuswa ukuthi inyoka mara lisemalifika emfuleni nele kushaya kanye kwajika yonke into njengoba usho ukuthi lamandla sinawo la nethi nje ngithi nje ukuthi angathi ukuthi sashiswa yini kahle ukuthi yini nginganesaba impumelelo yethu kahle kunento yokuthi sithi nebantu batosini ngiko phela lokho kahle
yeah and also just to be consumed by lama energies la negative that are rotating sikhohlwe ukuthi kahle lamandla sinawo so namuhla nje ngifuna ukukhumbuta mlaleli ukuthi tap into that power unikiwe lamandla lempi angeke izihambe noma ungathandaza ngakanani ucabanga ukuthi kunalomnye umuntu lotofika khumbula Princess khuluma nge-be your own superhero ngiyo ke leyo nanyalo sisasho yona ukuthi lamandla unikiwe akuwe tap into that and face whatever challenge
awusingibona ukuthi utawathatha wena lamandla namuhla ungithandiwe ku social media mabafuna ukulandzela ke bakulandzela kubani
ngiyangithola ke ku Facebook ku Tamtam Ntuli nakhona ku Instagram na ku TikTok @tam2ntuli
nginathuma hero la phambi kwami mina ngusijava noSimayimane bashaya livalo njengoba uthi wena singashaya lelivalo mara egcineni le ntombi utayithola ke la so nabo bathephe in thula amandla siyabonga sibabona next time
all right